Okay, today we're going to take a look at the 10-inch Android 2.2 tablet, the G tablet from Viewsonic. Picked this up at Sears on Thanksgiving for $379. It's a pretty good deal because it also included a free docking station. As we can see from the side, it says, looks like it shows a flash icon, some other things. On the back of the box, it says things like it includes access to an app store. Well, some of these things are kind of a stretch of the truth. While it does support Flash, it doesn't have Flash pre-installed. Their idea of an app store is a website with a very limited number of so-so apps. Not really any of the cool ones that you want. After I had this for about an hour, I was ready to return it. The regular interface that comes installed, the tap and tap, it was just terrible rendition. This is the home page that you get when you first boot up the machine, and I got to tell you, it was very clunky, very slow. You see the icons on the bottom there. Not really much of what I wanted. A lot of crashes. It was very, very poorly written. But with some help from some great people on the web, what I did is I went ahead and rooted it. And we changed some things. One of the first things I did was install the Launcher Pro UI, which gave me a much snappier experience. It did night and day in terms of performance. I was then able to install a lot of the apps, including all of the Google apps, which include the Google Marketplace, Maps, Talk, Gmail, things like that. Definitely much needed apps. Once I had the App Store up and running, I was able to install things like Pandora and Skype, Winamp, Dolphin Browser HD, the things that you really need. One of the things I really like is once I got Flash installed on here, I found I was actually able to go to the full YouTube, not the mobile version, the regular web version, and browse all of the videos there. Something you can't do on the iPad. As you see, it's pretty awesome. Works pretty good. I like it. It's very snippy, fast, moves pretty quick. Surfing the web is definitely a breeze. Searching everything works well. Let's just go here, click, pop over to the news. Of course, I'm on Wi-Fi, wireless. It comes with wireless BGN, but really nice. As you see, nice pinch zoom. Great once you get everything running. It's rooted, it runs very fast, gives you the multiple screens, the full flash. I do like some of the really nice things on here. It does include support for most of the common video settings. We'll take a look at a little video here. Videos run pretty good. NVIDIA Tegra chip, which actually gives you some pretty darn good performance. As you can see, full HD video, and it's a true 16.9 aspect ratio. The screen's a little bit wider in the length than an iPad and not quite as tall, but it does give you the 16.9. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the performance and everything. Let's try playing a little bit of music. Get back to the video in a second. Interesting thing on this is it has speakers on both sides of the tablet, which give it a nice stereo sound. You know, it's a little tinny as you would expect from a mobile kind of sound thing, but all in all, not too shabby. I was pretty impressed with even the sound on it. And it will let you play the sound in the background, which is another nice feature, the true multitasking. Like I said, with a little bit of rooting and everything, we end up with an excellent device, excellent properties. Definitely worth the buy if you're not afraid to do a little bit of tweaking.